Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming two things. Your Zerodha account is active, and your KYC and two-factor authentication are complete. Once done, log into the Kite developer console using the same Kite credentials you use to trade. Make sure to choose a clear project name, this group's keys, and select the appropriate access scope. You do this now to avoid rework later, because permission scopes control what your API key can read and execute. Next, create the application entry. Click Create New App and fill in the app name, a concise description, and a valid redirect URL for OAuth flows. Then select precise permissions, for example read-only versus order placement, because granular scopes reduce security risk. After you save, Zerodha displays the API key and API secret. Copy them immediately and store the secret in a secure vault. You do this carefully, because the secret cannot be retrieved later if lost. Finally, generate the session token. Open the consent URL, log in, and capture the request token returned to your redirect URL. Then exchange that request token along with the API secret to obtain the access token. Once you have the token, make simple calls, fetch your profile and list instruments to confirm connectivity. If you encounter errors, check redirect URL mismatch, clock skew on your server, and ensure the API secret matches the app. One common fix is
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.